Good evening friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to earn profits in Bank Nifty by using Renko charts. Here I am combining Renko charts with W pattern and M pattern. That means I am going to use W pattern and M pattern in the Renko chart. See, an M pattern looks like this and W pattern looks like this. So when the stock is coming down, when the stock is breaking down the neckline, so we have to short sell, and the head should be taken as the stop loss. Whereas in W pattern gives long entry. Okay, so when the stock is going up and if it breaks the neckline upside, then we have to go for long position, and the stop loss should be the lowest point of the head. Okay, this is briefly about M pattern and W pattern. So let us see how we are going to implement in Renko chart to earn profits. Right. This is Renko chart. So this is Zerodha platform, and it will be same in Upstox platform also. Go to display. Go to display. Here Renko, click on that settings button, take the value as 10. So for Bank Nifty I am taking the value as 10. This value depends on the individual stocks. Then I am using 15 minutes time frame for best results. For intraday purpose I use 15 minutes time frame for best results. Okay, let us back test the data. So here W pattern formed. See, that is on 25th September. W pattern is formed. Once the W pattern is broken outside, we have to take the buy entry. Okay, that is here. So at least, see, this is looking like a W from here to here like this. At least one brick should be formed and stayed above this neckline. Then only we have to take the entry. Okay, that means we will be taking the entry above the first brick. Say this one. Say that is 20,540. Say for example. $20,540, right? And the stop loss should be the lowest point, this pink color line, the lowest point of the W pattern, that is around 20,490. Okay, see, the stop loss has not hit it and it went all the way high and closed almost at 20,900. So almost we got 360 points profit. 360 points into 25, 9,000 rupees profit per lot approximately. Okay, let us back test further. Yes, here M pattern is formed from here to here, here to here, here to here, and like this. So here M pattern is formed. Okay, so once this pink line, that is neckline, is broken, we can take short entry. That means we can short sell Bank Nifty futures, and the stop loss should be the top pink line. Okay, so after breaking down this neckline, at least one brick should be formed, that is this one. At this point we have to take the short entry, that is 21,311. Say we have shorted at 21,311. Okay, stop loss is 21,372. This is approximately 60 points stop loss. It's very small stop loss. Okay, see how far it went. Here it went up to here and started rising. So it went down up to 21,070 and started rising. After forming 2-3 bricks, you can exit. Okay, somewhere here you can exit, that is 21,100. Say 21,100. So approximately 210 points you got a profit. So into 25. Bank Nifty lot size 25. This is approximately you got a profit of 5,000 rupees. Okay, we will see next example. I am removing these lines for clarity. Okay, here it seems to be forming W, but this neckline has not crossed, so we should not take any type of entry here. Neckline must be crossed in M pattern or W pattern, then only we have to take. Yes, here M pattern formed. Okay, this is the neckline and this is the stop loss. We have to take the entry after one brick after the neckline. So this one 22,560. Stop loss is 22,625. Around 65 points stop loss. Okay, so it fell down up to some extent, then it started rising. Okay, just a small retracement, then again it fell down. Okay, so it went all the way down up to 22,379. Okay, now we are in decent profits, so why to lose these profits? So after forming of 2-3 green bricks, exit. So that is somewhere here I am exiting 22,412. So approximately how many points? 22,559 minus 22,412. 22,559 minus 22,412. 147 points into 25. Approximately through 3,500 3,600 rupees profit. Let us see another example, another scenario. Here W pattern is formed. This lower pink line is the stop loss and the entry point should be a brick above the neckline. So that is 22,280. But here there is no much success, just it has gone up and it is coming down, and okay, there is no much I mean stop loss not hit, but there is no much profit also. Okay, Here this is W pattern. W pattern formed. So once the next neckline broken, that means at 22,378 we have to buy the Bank Nifty futures, and the stop loss will be the lowest point of this W, 22,329. So approximately 50 points stop loss, just 50 points stop loss. Now it went all the way high till here, 22,586. So how much profit? Entry is 22,380. 380. We have bought at 22,380 minus we sold at this break 22,590, say 590. 200 points nearly into 25, say around 500 rupees, 5,000 rupees profit. So this is W pattern, so we have to take buy entry. If it is M pattern, we have to take short entry. Okay. So friend, see, in most of the cases it is succeeded. Of course it may hit the stop loss also. Okay, but see, here we have to take some precautions. That is, if the stop loss is too high, avoid that trade. So for any trading, for any trade, we must and should follow the risk management and money management. Okay. If the stop loss is too high, don't take the position there. Okay. Wait for another scenario to come, or leave for the day. We may get right opportunity tomorrow or on the next day. See here the stop loss getting hit. See here it is looking like W pattern. Suppose we have bought it here, so it is coming, this is the stop loss. So somewhere here stop loss got hit. So how many points? The entry is at 23,039. 23,039. So because this is W pattern, we have taken long position. We have bought the October futures. Stop loss is at this one, 22,969. So we lost 70 points. So the stop loss should be small, like 50 points, 70 points, maximum 100 points. And of course it depends upon the capital and risk appetite of the individual trader. Okay friends, hope you understood the advantage of Renko chart combined with M pattern and W pattern. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy trading.